What a wonderful world. What a wonderful.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a review for some store-bought slimes that I purchased at Walmart and one from a different place, but I hope you guys stay tuned and watch all the slimes and see what I think of them, and let's get into it. The first slime I'll be going over is called Galaxy Dotz, which is a slime by Compound Kings, and it was priced at $5, which was a discounted price. And I don't know the original price, but Michael's is usually pretty expensive when it comes to slime, so probably over like $7. And yeah, it was from Michael's, as I previously just mentioned. This slime was supposed to be scented cotton candy, but it smelled nothing like cotton candy, and it was so bad, and I just did not like it or enjoy it whatsoever. The texture was very wet, jiggly, and it was stretchy to an extent, but it pretty much wasn't. I don't know how to word it, but yeah, it was like stretchy but not stretchy. It was very snot-like, and I don't know, I felt like it was a water slime with like flown beads, and that is not a great combination. The beads and the slime did not want to cooperate, and it didn't want to mix, and it was really irritating me. So yeah, I really don't think the beads gave it any sort of justice except for color-wise, but other than that, no, just hard no. As you can see, there's just mega fallout, and yeah, the ASMR is pretty decent, I guess, but the slime was just not enjoyable whatsoever. I can definitely see why this slime in particular was discounted. I should have just left it there. $5 for this mess, but hey, at least I got some flown beads out of it, which I will add to a separate slime in a different video that I'll probably post on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. Overall, the theme of this slime was super cute, but the execution was just not it. So, yeah. Next up, I have Bee Slimy, which is from Crazy Slimy, I guess is the brand. And this was from Walmart, and it was $7.97. And I will say it was almost pretty much really worth it, but the texture like wasn't all the way there. It had like a really nice strong poke, like the pokes were holding, and that was so good about that. But it didn't have enough of a stretch for me to like really be like, yeah, this is the one. The scent was not really that great. It was like artificially sweet, and like it smelled like if lotion and plastic had a baby. Just no bueno. It was almost like the texture of this slime was a coated clear, but it wasn't, because it didn't really have that much of a stretch, as I already said. And yeah, I think the add-ins and everything were really cute and really spot on. It was a very generous amount, so thank you Crazy Slimy for that. But other than that, the bees were like hurting my fingers and stuff when I was squeezing it, so I did not enjoy that. I don't know what those little plastic like things are called. I forgot. They're like puffy, like I don't know, they're like puffy plastic freaking, I don't even know what it is, but it was hurting my hands and I did not enjoy that. Also, the glitter stuck to my hands and I wasn't a fan of that, so yeah, work on that. Next up, we have this clear water slime by Nicole Jacqueline from also Compound Kings. And yeah, the scent was not really there. There wasn't really a scent, I don't think. I don't think this was supposed to be scented because this is a clear slime. So yeah, but it did smell like pen ink, which I was not a fan of. But if you like sniffing pens and like the ink of that, then maybe this one is for you. I already pretty much did a review on this slime on the watermelon one of this, and yeah, I don't know, I just thought I'd get another one to try it out and see if my opinions changed, but no, they really didn't, because it's pretty much the same thing, just a different color. Well, I guess no color in this one, to be exact. The texture was very interesting and very like watery, of course, and jiggly and wet and moist and yeah, but it felt very underactivated, but it wasn't. And yeah, it was cold to the touch, which I actually feel like that was so cool. And I don't know how to play with water slime, so there's that. The sounds are pretty satisfying, so yeah, other than that, this was like giving me like discharge vibes. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. That's just me. But like, yeah, I do not know. Also, don't even ask me why I freaking finger blasted this slime into the container. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. Last but not least, we have Waffle Butter Blizzy, which is supposed to be scented like blueberries, and yeah, it pretty much did smell like that, but like on the stronger side, and so I wasn't too much of a fan of it just because of how strong it was, but it is what it is. I don't know what I was expecting from this slime, but like everything was like just overwhelming for me. Also, when I picked out this slime, I was thinking of blue waffles, so I think they should probably not make a blue Blizzy water, whatever, blue butter waffle Blizzy slime, because blue waffle is already like its own thing, so like that is not a good thing to like associate with. But yeah, I don't know. But then again, this is for kids, so like they probably don't even know, so yeah. Anywho, the texture was pretty much like clay, as I expected. Most of the Compound King slimes are usually like clay, like just like pure clay, so yeah. it was very sizzly and like airy and creamy, so there's that for it. I guess you can say that's buttery, but I wouldn't call it like slime. So I feel like the add-ins were definitely very interesting. I don't really know what was happening, which is why I was overwhelmed. Like, I don't know why there was white bingsu or bingsu at all for this slime, so I was a little confused with that. And then it came with a spoon, which was also confusing because I don't know who eats waffles with a spoon, so yeah. And then the charm just was like what even is the charm for? Like, it's not even waffle related. So yeah, I don't know where this slime was going. I don't know. And the more I think about it, the more like overwhelmed and like anxious I get about it, because like what the even heck was happening. I don't really know where this slime was going and where I was going with playing with this slime. So yeah. But anyways, if you hear like baby sounds, that's because your girl was multitasking and feeding her baby. So yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys like this video, give it a heart or thumbs up or whatever the heck it is, and like comment down below and let me know which of these slimes were your favorite. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.